Clear your lungs and stop coughing. Homemade remedy for bronchitis. You will need chopped ginger. Ginger lowers blood cholesterol levels, improves cerebral circulation and strengthens blood vessels. Add a liter of water and let it boil for 10 minutes. Add 2 cloves and a spoonful of sage. Cover and leave it for a few minutes. Add freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Sieve and add 1 spoon of honey. The drink is excellent for treating bronchitis, cleaning the lungs and strengthening the immune system.